Green Hill sent this portable kneeler and seat combo for our review, and it's pretty cool. As soon as I opened it up, I had only one function in my head. I was like, oh, this is a seat, but it's much more than that. Check it out. So, of course, super portable, very easy to just put in your car, bring it anywhere really that you'd want. But you literally just open it like this, and this is how I saw it. I saw it as a, just a regular seat. But it is also, you put it this way, and you can actually kneel, and you've got some handles on the side. So I can literally put my knees on here, and this is a really comfortable kind of neoprene, rubberized, and obviously it's on both sides for your knees or for your bum. And it's super comfortable, very easy because of the handles to kind of like prop you up. So cool, and not just for gardening, as the product page explains, but I mean, I'm thinking you can bring it fishing, you can bring it camping, just to have kind of something portable. Tailgating, if you're watching your kid's soccer game, bring that portable seat with you and literally sit anywhere you'd like with it. I like the fact that they are kind of more going towards the gardening aspect, and they do give you extra stuff with it. So you actually have a nice little tool here, or a nice little add-on accessory where I can put like maybe some seeds, maybe some tools. They even give you the gloves for gardening, which is really cool. And they even add a little bag. So this bag would be literally for anything you'd want, and you've got even pockets on the side. Nice little loop-de-loop, so you can put like your little, I don't even know what gardening tools are called, but you know what I'm talking about, those little rakes, little shovels. So yeah, all of this is included, but my favorite part is the fact that this combo is so easy to open up and basically use in dual positions. And when you're done with it, all you need to do is grab these two. So this basically will move like this. You just grab one by one, bring it down, the other one, bring it down, and fold it up, and you are good to go. How cool?